Hey all, what's up? This is Jason today, and I got a Firehawk video for you. So I got a couple things I want to try to look at. So we've talked about this before, so I want to show you this. This lines up perfectly, okay? The hood height lines up good with the fender. The gap is the same. It comes down here. You've got appropriate gap at the bottom and all around the side. On this one, it sits way too low. I can actually lift up on it. So I don't know what's up with that. And the hood sits a little bit higher here than it does here, and the hood sits lower here than the fender here. Now this was going to be an easy adjustment. There is a hood stop, a rear hood stop that I'm going to adjust up. I've replaced that not too long ago, and I got me a good flashlight. I'm going to try and look into more about what's causing this. There is a stop that I can adjust. A lot of people give advice on adjusting the painted lid, the location of it, but I really don't think that's it. Because I don't know, I just don't think that's it. I feel like the lid itself is closing down too low, but we'll look into that and see what we can find. But to start with, we'll adjust that stop. So to adjust the height on how low the hood closes, we're going to adjust this up a little bit. So it may require adjust it up just a hair, close the hood, keep on trying it a couple of times to see if I like the transition good and how well it aligns with the fender. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a crescent wrench and adjust up on this some. I'm going to loosen it up, therefore twist it counterclockwise. So this is going to be a third try so far. I think that may be it. Maybe. I don't know, maybe it can come up a little bit more. So you can tell this one's up a little bit higher than this one. So I'm going to adjust this stop and that one. So I just turned this one counterclockwise a little bit. I'm going to turn this one a little bit more. So here we are. It's kind of hard to tell. I had something with a sharp edge on it. Not a sharp edge, but a flat edge. This is closer, but the side's still just a little bit higher. I think I'm happy with this. And I think I'm happy with this. Maybe I'll find a credit card or something, or a card to put across that and see how well it matches up. Okay. An AutoZone card, how about that? So that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. The hood corner is up more here than the bumper is. How about here? That's about the same. So maybe this one needs to come down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to tighten down on the driver's side just a little bit. Maybe like that. I don't know, it didn't take much for the driver's side. I mean for the passenger side. I'll close the hood back and we'll see how it matches up with that card. Okay, let's see if it's better. I'm gonna tell you, I've already cheated. I already put my card on it. I think it's some better. Anyway, guys, you've got multiple adjustments. You know, you got the rear hood stops, you got the front hood stops. The 2 front ones and 2 rear ones. If you need to replace yours, if you're dry rotted or anything, they're gonna be 20 bucks a set, and you can get them from Hawk Motorsports. I'm sure there's other locations that you can get them from. I replaced the rear ones not too long ago, just, I don't know, just a couple weeks ago maybe, and it was right at $20 for a set of 2. So, like I say, they're specified as rear and front. You may be able to buy the whole set for, you know, maybe a little discount, or maybe right at almost $40. Some people don't like giving discounts. So that was how to align the hood with your bump stops, as far as hood height to fender, and trying to get the gap right in here. Now that made this a little bit better. I believe the hood is at the right height. It is, that's my assumption, okay? Now I gotta figure out how to get this right so it matches up like that. That's what we need. We need to get rid of that play. Maybe that'll be a new video. All right, thank y'all for watching this video on how to align your hood using your hood stops. Y'all have a good one. Appreciate you watching this video. Y'all have a good day. Later.